Camarines Sur. School Head, Wenceslao P. Santiago.
Okay na.
We'd like to acknowledge the presence of City Councilor Attorney Buddy Del Castillo, sir. Entry number 6, La Victoria High School from Bula, Camarines Sur. Corps and Staff, Cadet Major Hazel Y. Basagre, Corps Commander, Cadet Captain Roland Arales, Cadet Captain Hasmin R. Camaldera, Cadet Captain Hannah Faye Tataro, Cadet Captain Kenneth Baroga, Cadet Captain Ken Nagorog, Major's Leader, Cadet Master Sergeant Chinky Pentecostes, Band Leader, Cadet Master Sergeant J.P. Alcuetas, Company Commander, Cadet First Lieutenant Justine P. Mortel, Company XO, Cadet First Lieutenant Ronald A. Lucido, First Platoon Leader, Boys, Cadet Second Lieutenant Rizel P. Hertes, Second Platoon Leader, Girls, Cadet Second Lieutenant Angel Joyce Pallega, CAT Facilitator, Mark CAT Facilitator, Mark John I. Francisco, Band Advisor, Eric Buak, Jeremy Foliero, Janet Arales, Chinky Azuela. Band Advisor, Corina Laresa, Jenny De Silva, Aramay Di Loyola. CAT Coordinator, Gian Javier, Karen Olieres, Ros Samer Obinya. DLC Trainer, Christian Idrian B. Batan. Entry number 6, La Victoria High School, La Victoria, Bula, Camarines Sur. Mike. Entry number 6, La Victoria High School from La Victoria, Bula, Camarines Sur. Next entry, entry number 7.